daddy wa, mommy wa, ẹ̀yin ọmọge, ẹ̀yin bọ̀bọ̀. I'm at launch Big Brother Naija for the 9th season.
Àti ní kọ́ wá ní méjì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí.
Ní méjì no mama wọ nínú house law. So
people come in as siblings, people come in as lovers, people come in as besties, even people come in as frenemies. Àríyá yẹn máa pọ̀ gan.
After every Sunday live eviction show, game kan máa wáyé.
Fún Big Brother season 9, ẹ máa retí drama.
Go expect gbogbo suspense, gbogbo drama.
Bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa lè fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rẹ́.
Ní gbogbo Africa Magic Channels ló máa show ẹ̀.
Father Jerry Showmax náà lẹ like ẹ mọ̀ wọ́n máa stream ẹ̀ 24 hours fún yín.
Láti agogo 7 ní ọjọ́ Sunday 28th of July 2024.
Naija season 9. Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
He said, we are no longer children. Let's take this to another level.
Hey! I think that about wraps it up. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
So this season, let us all play nice in the comment section. We just might find the love of our lives. Wow! Now come this way, come on stage. And oh, gentleman, he said, baby, this way. Baby, Mr. Man, you see, chivalry. Hello. You have eye. How you think? How? So who said hi first? Can I have another mic? So who said hi first?
I did.
Yeah. Give me the gist, give me gist. Anyone you don't want to say, whisper to me. So was it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter?
On Facebook.
Facebook. So what did he say that caught your attention?
Actually, let me say, we were actually, arguing on the comment section.
Ewo.
We were like, oh, Nengi is the best, I was, and, I was receiving lots of backlash, and I just noticed that somebody is just defending me. I'm like, okay. And what actually got me was when he said, my sister, do not argue with fools. I don't want you to mingle with them. I'm like, okay, he called me brother. I call him sister too, so it's not bad. So after that, I sent him a message, and I checked his profile picture. I cannot let go now.
Hey.
So I'm like, okay. So I sent him a friend request, and I sent him a message directly. And
what did you say in that message?
I'm like, thank you for defending me.
You're too spoiled.
And he didn't reply me. He didn't even accept my friend request. So I'm now like, okay, let me go back to the comment section. He used sister for me, so it's not bad using brother for him. I'm like, okay, my brother, please can you accept my friend request?
Come on!
Okay, so I shoot my shots. Let me just say that. So after that, and here we are. Okay.
Brother, carry microphone. Come first, come. Why did you decide to defend her? Say the truth.
Actually, in the comment section, they were bullying her.
We know they hear you. Speak into the mic.
On the comment section, they were bullying her.
She was not the only one being bullied.
She was the only one that got my attention at that moment.
Wait till she used to get your attention.
Yes, okay, I checked that profile picture too.
It's all yellow. What was it about her that stood out?
Outspoken, someone that can stand for herself. She can.
Okay. So who proposed first? I mean, we know she slid into your DM, but who made it official?
Myself.
Take us through the part. Did you propose? Did you drop on one knee? Did you?
Actually, I wasn't in Nigeria then.
Hey! So wait, were you watching the show when you were not in Nigeria?
Yeah, when I'm at work, I can't watch. So when I'm off duty, I just used to catch up things happening in Nigeria.
So you know.
I can't
Say the line.
He said, we are no longer children. Let's take this to another level.
Hey! I think that about wraps it up. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much.
Sharp guy, we wish you success, more love, prosperity, and may the Lord God above continue to strengthen this union from strength to strength, now and forevermore, in Jesus' name. Okay.
Thank you, Uzi.
Say thank you, big brother.
Thank you, big brother.
I think I have my CEO's permission as well to say that we love love. We want to see the conversation keep growing, and we want to take it to the next level by paying for your 3-month subscription premium. All of us. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I told you, multi-choice loves love. So you guys have 3-month subscription, and you're going to follow this full season together. Mona, don't quarrel if you have different faves. So. All right, congratulations. Another round of applause for our wonderful couple. Just the idea that people are going to come in pairs. I mean, I'm sure you're going to have people come in as siblings, people come in as lovers, people come in as besties, even people come in as frenemies. So the dynamic is going to be absolutely interesting to watch, very entertaining. And of course, these bonds are going to be tested in true Big Brother nature. I mean, if they're not tested, then why are we watching? You know, when people love something, they will support it. So whether it's Big Brother Africa or Big Brother Naija, people will always support. As for the other countries, I don't work there. I don't know. I haven't really spoken to them. I don't know why they haven't done their own version. But there is Big Brother Mzansi, which is a South African version. So I guess it's left for each country to decide what they want to do with their DSTV platform. But Nigerians are huge fans of the show. Nigerians love drama. Nigerians love entertainment. And Nigerians love love and love people, you know. And you get all of that on Big Brother. You get the drama, you get the excitement, you get the full content, even small love there. We've had even Big Brother couples. People have met their life partners on the show. And today at the media briefing, I introduced a couple who met each other in the comment section. So it's just, Big Brother is life's experiment in a box. You know, so it's almost like we're playing heavenly beings. Big Brother is like God, we are the heavenly beings who decide. So it's very exciting. It's a social experiment true to its name, and I love it. We all know that Big Brother is one of the biggest marketing platforms. As long as your product is on this show, it's sure to explode. So fear not, you've made the right choice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, to tell us more about this season of Big Brother Nigeria, you know, how you're going to vote, on all the options you have to watch it, and also opportunities for the fans. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tope Oshuke, my very own Oga, who is the most handsome man in all of multi-choice. He has fans. You see? I said it.
Thank you, Uzi. I was looking at something one day, and I'm not sure, is Uzi an acronym for under the influence? I was wondering. But it's exciting to be here. It's exciting to see a lot of our friends, a lot of our partners, a lot of our colleagues. And
we all know that Big Brother is one of the biggest marketing platforms. As long as your product is on this show, it's sure to explode. So fear not, you've made the right choice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, to tell us more about this season of Big Brother Nigeria, you know, how you're going to vote, on all the options you have to watch it, and also opportunities for the fans. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tope Oshuke, my very own Oga, who is the most handsome man in all of multi-choice. He has fans. You see? I said it.
Thank you, Uzi. I was looking at something one day, and I'm not sure, is Uzi an acronym for under the influence? I was wondering. But it's exciting to be here. It's exciting to see a lot of our friends, a lot of our partners, a lot of our colleagues, and the strategy, the fact that people are master planners of what they do. They come in with some idea in their head, but somehow Big Brother disrupts it. And the fact that people love to cook. We love to see the energy right there in the kitchen, and all of those moments that we all love to see on our screen. That's precisely what makes Big Brother Naija different and comes on year on year on year. And people love to have fun as well. Is it about the games? Is it just about, sitting down around in the garden and having a great time? The intimate moments as well. People find love there and there. Those are the things that we stay up at night, especially after the party, looking forward to what are they going to do next. 2 a.m. in the morning, 5 a.m. they're going for exercise. It's those intimate moments. And of course, what is a Big Brother without the game and people, getting into some disagreements or the other? But that's precisely why we love the show, and that's why it's coming. It's 71 days. They're going to be in Big Brother's house. I will love every moment of it. They're coming in pairs, so it means that you have someone that you can lean on, someone that you know each other, and you can definitely fend for each other. I'm looking forward to it. I'm not even sure how this is going to play out. But what I'm also here to tell you is precisely how you can watch. What are the opportunities for you to watch? It's not available on those other platforms where someone might hack into your account. It's not available on those links, those shady links where you might compromise. You don't want to go there. We're offering you big moments with Big Brother Naija Season 9. It's big moments. And I'll say you opt in for a big screen or a small screen, whatever you prefer. But what we guarantee with Big Brother Season 9 for 71 days are the big moments and the big screens. And you can be sure that when it comes to the big screens, DSTV, your home of entertainment, and GoTV, where you love it, will be available for you to watch it 24/7. Starting off with the African Magic channels, all the African Magic channels, from Showcase to Family, to all the language channels, we'll be showing it, and then it crosses over into the live event. And of course, it's available if you're a Prestige customer. Is there any Prestige customer in the house? Call that DSTV or GoTV, you have an opportunity to grab one because we have a promo offer running. While most people, nobody's really coming down their prices, but here we are with DSTV. You can get a high definition decoder and you can get a GoTV decoder for the prices that you see on the screen. It's very much attractive. Thank you so much. All right, and then wherever life takes you, because we know we're always on the move, right? Wherever life takes you, you have an opportunity to also watch on Showmax. And this one, we really, we're taking streaming across Africa. And the fact that, the original shows, African shows, the fact that it's got the Premier League now, Showmax is really different, and, it's taking over. And of course, the exclusive content that Dr. Busola also spoke about around the buzz, that's also coming. But if I have to recommend a package for you, it comes very affordable. You can watch your Showmax on mobile, for a very, less than 2,000, which is great. But I would recommend that you also bundle it with the Premier League because we're counting down to the football season now. So imagine getting, the general entertainment and Premier League all in one, and that gives you a fantastic experience. And we're happy that Guinness is also coming on this journey with us for both Big Brother and the Premier League as well. So you can definitely look forward to that. And then this is the one where it gets really interesting in terms of the power in your hands. Everyone here, you've got power in your hands. Can I hear power in your hands? Power in your hands! Alright, I think that's an amazing thing to see. But please just watch this video now.
Your go-to place for everything DSTV has just got better. Just for you. Introduce your enhanced white DSTV app where everything you love is now upgraded to TV.
Orúkọ mi ni Dr. Busola Tejumola. Èmi ni mo ń wo gbogbo content tó wà lórí MultiChoice. Fún Big Brother Season 9, ẹ máa retí drama, ẹ máa retí nǹkan tí ò ní jẹ́ kẹsùn lálẹ́ ní ojoojúmọ́ lórí Big Brother Season 9. A ti pè àwọn èèyàn, a dẹ̀ ti ní kó wá ní méjì-méjì, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí. àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀ ni gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ Big Brother. Sunday 28th of July 2024 ní gbogbo Africa Magic Channels ló máa show ẹ̀ láti agogo 7 ní ọjọ́ Sunday 28th of July 2024 a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ Big Brother tá bá ti parí ní orí Africa Magic Channel ẹ̀ ń lọ sí Big Brother Channel, DSTV Channel 198 àti GoTV Channel 49 láti tẹ̀lé gbogbo àwọn contestants tó máa wá lórí season yìí.
WAT, all Africa Magic Channels, please tune in. But jokes apart, the most obvious twist and creative this year is that the housemates are going into the house in pairs. So they'll largely be playing the game in pairs. That's the most obvious and the biggest change for this season. But other than that, I think I'll let our viewers unveil and unravel what the creative for the season will bring.
Thank you very much. Perfect answer. So wait for July 28th and then gather everybody you know. By the way, if you've not subscribed, there's a promo going on. What are you waiting for? Subscribe for yourself, your family members, your lovers, your partners, whatever. This season is going to be hot, hot, hot. All right, do we have any questions from any of our media partners in the audience? Anybody ready? Okay, I think I'll take the next one. So, given the PG rating of BB Naija, do we have a question in the crowd? Oh, we have the hand raising over there. Please, can we get a microphone to him? Or I'll just go in the crowd.
Orúkọ mi ni Ṣèyí Ajayi. So from Big Brother season yìí, mo expect gbogbo suspense, gbogbo drama and all the excitement. Mo hope pé ó máa wà very interesting like previous seasons. Thank you. Okay. Tọ́dẹ̀ ti sọ fún wa léni pé wọ́n máa wọlé méjì-méjì. So gbogbo nǹkan yẹn là ń dúró dè ní Sunday. So 7 o'clock we'll be tuned in to enjoy the show for the next 70 days. Thank you.
Orúkọ mi ni Fúnṣọ́ Arógundádé, oníròyìn, oníṣẹ́ ìròyìn. Nǹkan tí mò ń retí láti rí nínú event yìí, nínú season yìí, wọ́n máa pín àwọn méjì pọ̀ láti form team kan. Mo rò pé a lè rí bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe nǹkan tó ń pè ní friendship, bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa lè fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rẹ́. But basically mo ń retí pé tí wọ́n máa season yìí a máa rí ìyàtọ̀ pé báwọn èèyàn ṣe máa fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀, táwọn èèyàn ní mọ̀ bọ́ ṣe ń ṣe bọ́ ṣe ń wá ọ̀rẹ́ kan ọ̀rẹ́, béèyàn dẹ̀ ṣe lè develop relationship láàrin ọkùnrin àti obìnrin tí ò dẹ̀ ní sí ìwà ìbàjẹ́ àbí ìwà kọ́lọ́fì kankan. So nǹkan tí mo retí ní season yìí nìyẹn.
Individuals usually enter as singles, so an individual will enter the show. But this year we asked for people to come with their friends, with their besties, with their family members, their wives, husbands, partners, to enter the show together as a pair. That was our selection criteria actually. Everything else is the personality of the pairs that we audition. And largely we know that the show is made up of the diverse personalities, right, from different walks of life. And it's based on what the contestants or the potential contestants bring to the auditions. But the criteria this year was enter as pairs. Second question, what significant changes are for the formats, and if there are any new rules? No, there are no new rules, apart from the twists and turns you can expect from Biggie himself. But the rules of the formats remain the same. The format itself remains the same. But as you know, we are cranking up the creativity this season. I will let, for the theme for the year, we usually would unveil the theme on the night of the premiere. So again, to watch the theme and know what the theme for the year is, because the theme usually will guide what the season would feel like and what to expect. So 7 p.m. Sunday the 28th of July across all Africa Magic channels and Showmax. Please look out for what the theme for the year will be. And I'll let the CEO respond to the other questions.
I think there was a question on technology. I think Talkboy already started that with the new app. So I encourage everyone to download the new My DSTV app. There's a lot of new tech and changes coming. Also, get our streaming app, get the Showmax app, and a lot of what is new you will see on that night. As always, we want to spring a surprise on you, so watch the show and you'll see what's new. But you can get ahead of time with the new app and begin to see what else is coming up. I think the last question was on FaceTime, equal FaceTime. I don't think that's something that is actually possible in entertainment. It's like a movie, and you want equal time for every actor in the movie. But I think as much as possible, the cameras tend to follow a lot of activity. So if you're sleeping and some people are awake, we're not just going to put the camera on someone sleeping for 1 hour because we want to equalize, So it's an entertaining show, and I think as viewers at home, we want to see as much entertainment as possible. And I think we always tell, it links back to the earlier question on what is the criteria. This is a show about just being yourself, being as natural as possible and being yourself. And we see a lot of people who have been themselves, come out to do very well in the show. Yeah.
And I guess you must feel like proud moms and dads when you see all the achievements of some of the past housemates.
Oh, absolutely.
CEOs.
Yeah. When I had the first question about people coming out, people have to, we don't judge, but you just need to look around. Some of the biggest personalities in, I would say, the continent have been people that have, come out of this show. So I think it's really underestimated what the impact of the show on lives. And I'm not talking just about housemates, production, a lot. It's a full ecosystem, and we're really proud of that, yeah.
So our partnership and relationship with DSTV is very long-standing. And it's over many years. It's across multiple properties and, of course, many verticals. 2021, Guinness launched one of our new campaigns, Black Shines Brightest, on the Big Brother platform. What is exciting for me is that we're going to continue that journey 3 or 4 years since we had that launch. Same platform as well. And for us, that journey is just a celebration of creativity. We like the colorful expressions we see on the show. And it's a testament to the partnership that we want to grow with Big Brother and that platform. There's an inherent power. We see that the platform, pardon my pun, empowers people who come through it, right? And that's something that we see within the individual and the platform itself. So, we say we want to help people shine brightest. DSTV does that with this platform, so it makes perfect sense for the amalgamation of both of us to do something amazing. And there's no party like a Guinness party. So it's something that
yes!
If you guys are going to watch, it's going to be super, super great this year. Yeah.
Wow, round of applause. Couldn't have put it better myself.
Orúkọ mi ni Tọ́pẹ́ Ọ̀ṣunkẹ́yẹ, mo head marketing ní MultiChoice Nigeria, and inú mi dùn, I ti launch Big Brother Naija for the 9th season, and I know that most of us, ẹ̀yin daddy wa, mommy wa, ẹ̀yin ọmọge, ẹ̀yin bọ̀bọ̀, mo mọ̀ pé ẹ look forward to 24 hours of all the best times, starting from 28th, ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 28th of July, and orí Africa Magic, ẹ lè wo lórí DSTV àti GoTV 24 hours. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ orí Showmax náà lẹ like, ẹ mọ̀, wọ́n máa stream ẹ̀ 24 hours fún yín. So get ready, wọ́n máa wọlé méjì for the first time ever, méjì, and gbogbo àríyá yẹn máa pọ̀ gan, so inú wa dùn gan pé, a lè ṣe 9th season, and we thank you for all your support, for being with us, for staying with us, and look forward to so much drama, so much love, romance, a whole lot that will, make you feel good while you're home. We all need to relax. So relax ta ní fàájì pẹ̀lú Big Brother.
Ó yá o, Tónílé tàlejò, bàbá wa ẹ̀yin wa, ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́, alright, àti bọ́ sí season 9 Big Brother Naija. Inú wa dẹ̀ dùn lónìí pé a ṣe unveiling show yìí. Ní season ní $100 million lẹ́ni tó bá win máa mú lọ lé but nǹkan tí mi ṣe dùn nípa season yìí ni pé ní méjì náà máa wọ house law. So on the 28th of July, 7 p.m. West African time, the show in my launch. After every Sunday live eviction show, game come out why but game me want this so details for 28th. Cartoon more exactly in Kotoma Shelle. All right, welcome to the down the Kilarigbo then way. If I'm gumbo me, Kilarigbo get my ball.
Okay, Smirnoff! Round of applause. And I think I have one more question, but this time for Mr. Tope, before I go back into the audience. So now, you explained to us about the Fave Lock-In. So how will this season enhance viewer interaction and participation with this new type of Fave Lock-In? Sorry guys, sorry. Once again, I have to beg for some sort of decorum, please. Please. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Uzi. And I think a very important question around Fave Lock-In because it has to do with the fans and the viewers. And it's something that we're doing on the 20th of July at ICM in Ikeja, where we're also giving the fans a Big Brother experience, to be a star for a whole day. So we're going to set up a house, almost like a Big Brother house, and we're already calling for individuals, fans of the show, to join us at ICM and experience that. And we're not doing that alone. We're also doing that with our sponsors, Guinness and Smirnoff, and a whole lot of them, where you get to experience the moment of being in a house with cameras, party time, just being in the house, experiencing it. Of course, the viewer experience already starts even before the show kicks off. And like we said, the Fave Lock-In will be different. Every fan out there, you have an opportunity, 30 of them, to win ₦1 million if you just follow the immunity challenge that will be happening weekly, and you lock in who you think will win. So I think it's an exciting time for every Big Brother lover, and we're looking forward to it and very excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's give a very warm applause for our amazing panel. And before they go,
I just wanted to recap. Just as Tope mentioned, immunity challenge for the viewers. I think I'll give you a little sneak peek of. He's already said it, so I'll give you a little sneak peek of what else to expect for our appointment viewing activities. So we usually have our nominations. We have our pool parties, our Saturday night parties, our arena games. We've added one or two more. One of it is the immunity challenge that the contestants will be playing. You don't know what that is, but you will find out what the immunity challenge is on the show. We've turned things around a bit, and so your head of house challenge will no longer be what it is. There's new activities for your primetime appointment viewing every Sunday night as well. So right after the launch show on Sunday, a new activity is starting, so this season is high stakes, and it will unravel. It was going to move really fast, and it will unravel right from Sunday night when we launch the show. Just a quick reminder that our show starts, the Big Brother Naija season 9, starts on the 28th of July, Sunday the 28th of July, at 7 p.m. West Africa time, across all Africa Magic channels. Right after that, you move to the Big Brother pop-up channel on DSTV channel 198 and on GoTV channel 49 to catch all the 24-hour live feed. You can also catch it on DSTV Stream, which is on mobile, and on Showmax. So the feed will be available 24 hours on Showmax as well.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for our amazing panel. Thank you, thank you. So,
orúkọ mi ni Adédọ̀tun, mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú multi-choice, ilé-iṣẹ́ tí ó ní ètò tá a wá síbí fún. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ Big Brother, gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àsìkò lọ́dún ní gbogbo ọdún tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn máa ń wà nídìí tẹlifíṣàn wà torí fóònù wọn láti mọ bó ṣe ń lọ pẹ̀lú àwọn housemates, right? So ọdún yìí kò yàtọ̀ bó tún yàtọ̀, ọ̀nà tó gbégbá lọ́dún yìí yàtọ̀. Wọ́n fẹ́ máa ní wọn ní méjì ní wọnú Big Brother house ni. Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé lọ́kùnrin kan lóbìnrin kan náà máa wà ní Big Brother house.
so ìyẹn máa dojú tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ torí àwọn olùwòran sí wọ́n ti lé oríṣiríṣi láti wò àwọn tó máa wọlé gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn méjì pọ̀ tó bí èèyàn tó papọ̀ tẹ́gbà ni wọ́n máa túká nínú ilé ẹlòmíì ò di single pringle ẹlòmíì rẹ lómi tó bá like get so ọ̀nà ọ̀tọ̀ ni ó gbà lọ́dún yìí so ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé àwọn olùwòran wọ́n á ní ohun mèremère láti fojú sí láti fojú wò ẹ ṣé.
Kilarigbo TV ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.